All right, let's cut to the chase. Is Acorn a bank? This is a question that's probably popped into your head if you've been eyeing up their app or considering dipping your toes into the world of microinvesting. So, let's dive in and figure this out together. First off, let's talk about what a bank actually is. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. They also offer other financial services like checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and investment products. Now, Acorn. What do we know about it? It's a popular app that lets you invest spare change. You link your debit or credit card, and Acorn rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Easy peasy, right? But is that enough to classify it as a bank? Let's break down Acorn's offerings. They don't offer traditional banking services like checking or savings accounts. You can't walk into an Acorn branch and deposit a check. So, we're already starting to see some differences. However, Acorn does offer investment accounts. You can invest in ETFs, which are basically baskets of stocks. This might make you think, hang on, banks offer investments too. And you'd be right. But here's the thing, Acorn doesn't hold your money in a traditional bank account. Instead, it uses a brokerage firm to handle the investments. So, Acorn is more like an investment platform than a bank. It's a tool that helps you invest your spare change, but it doesn't provide the full suite of services you'd expect from a bank. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, FDIC insurance. This is a big deal when it comes to banks. The FDIC insures your deposits up to $250,000, which means your money is safe even if the bank goes under. Does Acorn offer FDIC insurance? Nope. Your investments with Acorn are not FDIC insured. So, to recap, Acorn doesn't offer traditional banking services, it doesn't hold your money in a bank account, and it doesn't offer FDIC insurance. These are all pretty strong indicators that Acorn is not a bank. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about the regulatory differences between banks and investment platforms. Banks are heavily regulated by the Federal Reserve and other financial authorities. Investment platforms, on the other hand, have different regulations. Acorn falls under the regulatory umbrella for investment platforms, not banks. Now, this doesn't mean Acorn is bad or unsafe. It's just a different kind of financial service. It's a tool that can help you build wealth over time, but it's important to understand what it is and what it isn't. So, to answer the burning question, is Acorn a bank? No, it's not. It's an investment platform that helps you invest your spare change. But is that a bad thing? Not necessarily. Acorn can be a great way to start investing, especially if you're new to the world of finance. It's a low-cost, hands-off approach to building wealth. However, it's essential to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as they say. Consider other investment options and do your research before making any financial decisions. And remember, investing always involves risk. The value of your investments can go down as well as up. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.